While the cryptocurrency is still volatile, it has a sizable following among billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg. In the previous year, he has shown interest in investing in Bitcoin and even created his own cryptocurrency. It has nevertheless attracted critics and opponents. As we see massive gains, Bitcoin always dominates financial discourse and grabs massive attention. In 2017, the cryptocurrency became popular for the first time, attracting both attention and enormous gains. Its value, like that of other cryptocurrencies, crashed the next year, and now with Bitcoin's recent 300% increase in 2022. Welcome back to Tech Trends for All. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated when we release new videos. Without further delay, let's dive in. And some analysts making Bitcoin price predictions believe that it will prosper in the near future. However, several critics are reconsidering their options because most people are unfamiliar with cryptocurrency. It's fine to wait and observe how things develop before putting your money at risk. Analysts only have around 11 years of data to base crypto price projections on. The price of Bitcoin, while potentially rising in the long run, is highly unstable every day. Volatility makes it difficult to understand the outcome of your cryptocurrency strategy. Before you think about investing in Bitcoin or any other substitute asset, think about what you will gain from it and why you want to be a part of a raging market. This will help you in remaining focused. Financial planners and other specialists warn against letting BTC price volatility drive you to make decisions based on emotions, as they do with any investment. Analysts advise to youth that invests no more than 5% of their whole assets in cryptocurrency. They also believe that one should never invest if one is aiming for emergency savings or funds, or if they're planning to pay off massive debt because of the volatility of Bitcoins. Passive investing is a really valid technique to reach financial goals, says Sarah Catherine Gutierrez, a certified financial advisor in Arkansas. One way to build a long-term asset through cryptocurrency is by investing in limited index funds. These are diversified investments and make up a modest part of their portfolio. People mostly look up to billionaires like Zuckerberg, since they have unique and better strategies. Mark Zuckerberg revealed that he wants to explore more about cryptocurrency. Let us know in the comments section what your thoughts are on Bitcoin. Do you think cryptocurrency is indeed the future? Mark Zuckerberg prefers investments in cryptocurrency. Mark Zuckerberg is the creator of the world's most popular social media site, Facebook. He is the world's 5th richest man, and he has so far expressed support for Bitcoin. He seemed to have positive views on investing in Bitcoin. In 2021, he tweeted about 2 goats and named 1 Bitcoin that left people speculating if Mark Zuckerberg recommended the cryptocurrency. However, he showed support for Bitcoin in the past too. Back in 2018, he stated that the source that boosts and powers Bitcoin can prove to be quite sufficient for Facebook. He believed that source or technology can make Facebook quite better. He also remarked that he is interested in cryptocurrency. There are important counter-trends to this encryption and cryptocurrency that take power from centralized systems and put it back into people's hands. Zuckerberg gave a statement in 2018. He also showed concern that Bitcoins can be difficult to handle, but he is eager to dive deeper into that area and research the pros and cons of this newly found technology. Zuckerberg understands the potential that cryptocurrency holds and the best way to use them for the betterment of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg attempts to introduce a cryptocurrency. Mark Zuckerberg attempted to develop his own cryptocurrency called Libra. There haven't been many words from the corporation on this because it turned out to be a failure. It was then renamed to Diem. The Facebook founder has been attempting to launch his own cryptocurrency for the past 3 years, but his efforts appear to be failing horribly without any reward. The project started with Facebook Diem, and it has the potential to gain traction in the cryptocurrency industry. Their goal was to establish a cryptocurrency called Libra stablecoin, which was first announced on June 18, 2019. With the tagline "Move fast, break things," the initiative as a whole has broken down since the project as a whole collapsed. Mark Zuckerberg was expecting a positive response to that, but instead, all he received was a negative political response. Facebook was being used to propagate planned agendas in localized locations around the world, while Facebook receives advertising money from political organizations. As a result of the negative publicity, there was a lot of political resistance, financial concerns, and many partners abandoning the project. Various regulatory barriers were initiated against Facebook, and any endeavor associated with them was guaranteed to fail. As a result of all of this pressure, the DM Association decided to try to sell off its copyrights. Suddenly, the entire team and blockchain engineers needed new jobs, as they couldn't do much for Facebook. However, Metaverse is the center of attention now. Mark Zuckerberg has recently rebranded Facebook as Meta. But what exactly is Metaverse? Metaverse allows its users to workshop and do much more by socializing. VR technology, social networks, and blockchain technology are all used in Metaverse as to build locations where people decide to spend time. Though many are still in their youth, but there are virtual worlds with virtual currencies. Since Metaverse includes a virtual economy, that economy requires money. Cryptocurrencies are the ones that can be used in those virtual economies. Blockchain technology is built to ensure a secure space, but it's still early to predict anything about Metaverse since Mark Zuckerberg has huge plans regarding the virtual world and connecting it with cryptocurrency, billionaires, and Bitcoin investment. BTC attracted attention. Despite the volatility of Bitcoins, many billionaires viewed as something revolutionary, while some viewed as something ridiculous, says Carl Icahn, a billionaire activist. It's important to learn about billionaires' point of view about Bitcoin and why some prefer it. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, the twins, accused Mark Zuckerberg of stealing their idea for a networking site. They used some of their $65 million legal settlement with the Facebook CEO in 2012. To do so, they still have an estimated 70,000 Bitcoins, as well as other assets in their possession. They co-founded cryptocurrency exchange Gemini in 2014, and it now processes around $200 million and trades every day. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, notably renowned for debating Mark Zuckerberg at Harvard on the originality of Facebook's founding, became the first cryptocurrency billionaires in 2017. During the cryptocurrency's decline in 2018, however, they lost $600 million in Bitcoin worth. According to Bloomberg, the twins emerged as Bitcoin billionaires for the second time in November, when Bitcoin's growth pushed their wealth into the 10-digit club. Tyler made a Bitcoin price prediction that BTC value would climb 30-fold in a recent Real Vision interview. It was also termed as the deal of the century by him. He even asked a famous actress to buy Bitcoin. He invests in cryptocurrency because he views it as a revolution, especially during the pandemic. He called it a revolution because he believes that the 2020 pandemic was a blessing for Bitcoin. Novogratz said to insiders, Emily Graffito, 5 years from now, we're going to see 2020 as horrible as Corona was, and lots of people have lost their lives. We're going to look back, and in some weird way, this is going to have been a blessing for the cryptocurrency revolution. Billionaires always express their ideas and to make Bitcoin predictions. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the world with their digital money that allows its users to send amounts online anywhere around the world. The world's richest man, like Elon Musk, has shown huge support for Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. However, it is difficult to predict the future of the metaverse. His posts on social media prove that he might be a follower of Bitcoin. He showed his support towards it and gave positive remarks in the previous years. That's all I have for you guys for today. If you liked watching this video, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so that you may be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.